Alright, so when you try to do the bootable Pop! OS, make sure you remember which one you use, Rufus or Belanus, because in the future you need to use back the same thing that you use for creating Pop! OS bootable, because it will not work when you change from Rufus to Belanus or Belanus to Rufus. So you will have this issue after you do the Pop! OS bootable. Your pen drive will no longer be usable, you no longer be detected, and if you try to delete from the disk management and try to format it, it will not work anymore. So now when you try to use Rufus or Belanus, it will give you error that it will not work. Okay, so this is the issue right now. See, you have all this error now. Okay, so now you can try using partition wizard to help you. You can do a test to delete and you to create again and see if your side, the pen drive, works. You can try changing the file system if you want to NTFS or FAT32 and see whether does it work. From my testing, it doesn't work for me, so this is just an optional solution. If you can try, if it works, then good for you. For me, Pop! OS killed my pen drive, and luckily I found a solution which is half-half. So make sure you use Rufus, because Rufus is recommended and might work. Don't use Belanus, because Belanus will kill your pen drive and will make it unusable for Windows forever. So far that I've tested, you can't use it anymore. So in Belanus, make sure you go into Linux, any Linux you want, Zorin OS or Pop! OS, and format the pen drive. Okay, so once you've done it, go back to Windows and try to do Belanus and format and try it again. So you should be able to use it, but you cannot use it normally in Windows anymore. So far there's no solution for it. Now if you use Rufus, so first you go into Linux, do the same thing, format your pen drive. Once you have format your pen drive, go and do the Windows and try to do Rufus to create another bootable for Zorin OS. So if it works, then you should be able to see that your pen drive is visible in Windows. Okay, so Rufus works for me. It does make my pen drive usable again. Belanus doesn't. Okay, so if all my solution doesn't work, then too bad, your pen drive is unusable for Windows forever until you find a solution. But for now, you can use a disk, and then you can delete, you can format your pen drive by using this, just as what we did before. And now you just press the plus, create it as normal, and that's it. So now once it's done, you can use it for Linux only. Windows will not recognize it anymore. So if you use Rufus, it is recommended and you have chances are it will work, that it may go back to normal. Belanus, you cannot use it for Windows anymore. You will need it to always use Linux to format, then go back to Belanus to boot as other thing. So that's it. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamers signing out.